Namaste and welcome to day 28 of Start Now. Well, our body is different in different day and different times of the day as well. So at any given day, you feel differently even after repeating a certain practice, and you might have felt a very different sensation when you were doing the same practice on some other day. Just know it's completely normal. Our body is different every part of the time in the day and also every passing day. So repeating practices might not necessarily make you feel the same way. Another thing that I would like to bring attention towards is not always that your agenda towards coming on the mat should lead with that you should end up feeling happy in the class. No, the practice is for you to just know you, and emotions such as happiness, anger, or sadness, or a heightened energy, these are different emotions that a human body feels and human mind feels depending on the day, depending on the circumstances that are going. So at any given day, you feel completely none of these. Well, that is what the practice is, to leave you feeling completely nothing. Well, so next time if you try practicing and you don't feel very happy, just be content with it, because that's what the practice is wanting you to feel like. Feeling nothing, absolutely nothing, and also feeling certainly very different things that are within you and above you. Yes, with that, I encourage you to come into a comfortable seat. Keeping this practice short for today, I want you to just move a little bit as you're seated. Bring a little movement in spine. See what are the areas of stiffness. Scanning the body with the movement, tilting towards a certain side, maybe needing the twist in a certain side to just feel the areas of your body. Once you come back to center, keep your eyes closed. Let your body come back to stillness again. Join your palms at heart center. Let's chant 3 sounds of Om together. Inhale. Have a simple intention for your beautiful practice that you have ahead of you. Embrace all the energy from your last practice, all the stillness, mindfulness, and gratitude. From there, I want you to gently keep your eyes closed, relax your hands. Take a good inhalation to draw your shoulders all the way up to the ears. Lift up the shoulder as you go higher, all the way up to the ears. And hold your breath after inhalation. Hold it there. Don't let go. Don't leave the breath. Keep crawling the shoulders higher. Let your body heat up with this breath retention. Keep holding. You're doing lovely, almost there. And open your mouth to release the shoulder to sigh it out. Exhale. Stay there. Observe that relaxation effect. Inhale, drawing the shoulders all the way up to the ears once again. And hold your breath. Let the shoulder go highest possible place. Open your mouth inside out. One last time. Inhale, draw your shoulders up, 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 up to the highest and hold your breath. Open your mouth inside out. Going for Kapalbhati, we'll do 3 rounds of 30 repetitions. Please feel free to go slower as per your own pace and capacity. Inhale and begin. Inhale, exhale, inhale and hold your breath. Keep everything else relaxed. No one should realize that you're holding the breath. Don't puff your shoulders, keep your chest relaxed, ribcage relaxed as you're holding that breath. And release, exhale, and just breathe normally. Keep your eyes closed, be in stillness. Second round, 30 repetitions, inhale and begin. Breathe normally. Just try to be still throughout this practice. Try not to move. Find that patience. Fight with yourself for this. Believe. Having faith in yourself is extremely important. Let's go for last round. Inhale and begin. Breathe normally. Exhale completely and hold your breath. Breathe normally. Block your right nostril from your right thumb. Inhale and exhale just from the left nostril. Relax your hands and just breathe normally. Keeping your body as gentle and still and slow, very slowly coming into all fours and then resting into child's pose from there. Stress yourself there. Surrender and breathe. From here, we'll slowly come into all fours. And gently go for cat and cow, inhaling, lift up your chest, lift up your head, dip your chest down. Exhaling, lift up your chest and take your chin to the chest. Inhaling, arch and look up. Exhaling, contract and look down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly shift the weight on the hands. Shift the weight back on the legs. Shift the weight on the hands. Shift the weight back on the legs. Shifting the weight on the hands. Shifting the weight back on the legs. On the hands. And back on the legs. Curl your toes. Lift up the knee and push the heels down into downward facing dog. Just stay there and breathe. Bend your right knee. Extend it. Bend your left knee. Extend it. Bend the right. Extend. Bend the left. Extend. Bend the right. Extend. Bend the left, extend, slowly come into plank pose and hold. Release your knees down. Keep your right hand on your chest, left hand on your navel, and just breathe. Relax. From here, if you would like to go for a few rounds of sun salutation, Surya Namaskar, I encourage you to pause the video, go complete those Surya Namaskars, and then come back onto this video for relaxation. We'll slowly lie down on our spine, relaxing the shoulders and chest. Everything vertebrae by vertebrae, surrendering down to the floor, to the Mother Earth. Try to relax your neck. Don't let your chin be too far back. Let your head be nicely comfortably on the floor and chin closer to you. Now relax that shoulder down. Relax that navel. Relax the back of your knee. Relax your toes. Relax those palms and fingertips. And just try to observe how the belly moves as you inhale and exhale. Giving it some space to breathe. Keeping your focus here at your breath, leaving you here for your relaxation. I'll meet you tomorrow for the practice.